I'm a grandpa, and I take on the biggest, baddest, meanest roller coasters in the land to see if I'm still up to engaging in such nonsense. Today I'm at Lagoon, taking on Primordial. Primordial was the biggest unknown of my visit to Lagoon. And in retrospect, I think that was a great place to begin. Here's what I did know going in. This is a completely in-house design that I hear is a lot of fun. We shall see. It's got a shooting game, a dark ride element, plus the roller coaster element. That's the launch tower going off. Yeah, I hear good things about this and the three surprise endings. You know, who knows which one we'll get. And the shooting dark ride sounds like kind of fun. The roller coaster elements itself, what you can see from the outside, which isn't much, does look pretty mild. Definitely family coaster vibe. But those can be fun if they're done right. So, I rope dropped Primordial with no clue what to expect, other than some sort of a cross between a roller coaster and an arcade game. That's pretty cool. Unlike at Disney or Universal, you do run out of theming. But like Disney and Universal, there is a pre-show to explain what's going on. You know, give you the backstory, give you a clue. All right.
Step closer, brave warriors. On behalf of the kingdom, I, Queen Astrid, welcome you. You have answered our call, and the time is now for your journey to begin.
I can understand like every other word. I think this queen cat goddess person thing is explaining the premise of this ride, but it's a typical theme park thing. I have no idea what she's saying. It's loud and unintelligible. Got it. We are off to save the world. Or save the queen cat goddess person thing. Or something. I think. Okay, that was fun. Definitely not much of a roller coaster. Pretty tame on the roller coaster side. I had the sunglasses on, so with the 3D glasses combined with it, I could not see a thing. But hey, it was fun. I am clueless about what happened. I don't know what score I got. I don't know if I hit anything. I was just kind of shooting. It turns out, to aim at the targets, or see the screens, or pretty much decipher anything that happens in the show building, you need to see those things. Who knew? You know, come to think of it, clueless but fun is pretty much the story of my life. Clueless but fun. I may have accidentally been profound there. Or clueless, one of the two. Now, normally, I rate roller coasters for thrill, pain, and fun. But in this case, let's skip right to fun, because the others aren't really factors for this ride. I'm gonna give this a solid 4 out of 5 dinosaurs. 4 out of 5 dinosaurs. And that is because it is fun. It is a fun little coaster. The elements inside the show building are fun. The surprise ending is fun. The shooting, like I said in the reaction, because I had my sunglasses on, I don't know what I was shooting. It's probably fun to shoot too. Later in the day, I did get in another ride. And, armed now with a little bit of a clue, I remembered to remove the sunglasses from my prescription glasses before putting on the 3D glasses. Got all that? It's a lot for an old man to keep track of, you know? This time on Primordial, we got the owl and the ice and the drop track. I don't know if the scenes go with which ending, but I saw one video where somebody said they got the dragon in the drop track. I don't know. It turns out there are 3 possible physical endings and 2 possible ending scenes for 6 combinations.
Ending scenes, you get either the owl or the dragon. I still don't know who or what they are, or why they matter, or if I'm fighting them or helping them, or what the queen cat goddess person thing has to do with any of it. Enjoy the ride at Shoot It stuff. That's what you actually need to know.
It's not the most thrilling roller coaster, but it's got some pep to it. And then the shooting element, especially when you don't have your sunglasses on, the shooting element does add a fun factor to it.
Earlier, I said I was clueless but having fun. You know who else is clueless but having fun? Kids. And I think there is something profound in that. At their best, amusement parks take us back to that fun, childlike sense of discovery. Clueless but having fun. It's what kids do best. And sometimes it's what we all need the most. Well done, Lagoon. Well done.